Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Lumen5 text script to video maker AI online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to make videos from text on Lumen5, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the web address lumen5.com like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Lumen5 guys. But if you have not logged into your Lumen5 account, first you'll be required to sign into your Lumen5 account, and then you will be on this dashboard of the Lumen5. But if you guys have not created an account on Lumen5, I'll link a video on this video on YouTube on how to sign up for a Lumen5 account on your computer. And with that being said guys, let's dive right into the video. So guys, after logging into your Lumen5 panel, this is the first site of the dashboard you will get to, and at the left side of the screen you can see all the options are provided by the Lumen5, including all videos, instant videos, brand kits, save templates, and your analytics from over here, and your trash can. And guys, in order to make a video from text script, you can see this is the place where you will be able to do that. On the all video section, if you want to make an instant video guys, you can go for it. Just click on the instant videos and click on manage feeds and do all the customization. But we'll be learning to make a good video from the Lumen5 with the text. And with that being said, on the all videos panel guys, click on a new video, and after that the process to create a video on Lumen5 will be started on your computer, where you'll be required to choose a template first guys. After clicking on create a video, just wait for it, it will take a bit to load. And over here guys, you can see the page has started to load with all of these templates. You can see the new templates over here, the rectangular templates, accordingly lines template. You click on that and you can see the rounded templates, gradient, organic, angular, assorted. Many templates are available for you guys. Let's go to the rectangular and click on show all to view more of the templates available. If there is no show all button, that's the limit of the template. And you can see over here guys, all of these many awesome templates are available. Simply choose a template to go with, and you will be able to see the preview of the template with the coloring effects by the template and text. You can see the text effects. You can choose the format of the video from over here, on which format do you want your video to be in. Either is it the 16:9, or the 1:1, or 9:16 for mobiles. And after choosing your format, simply click on use this template, and that template will be used to optimize your video. Now in order to create a video from the script, first you will be required to choose or open a script. For that I'll be using the chat GPT. You can see guys, I've already created or written a script from the chat GPT, so I'll be just copying and pasting this script onto the Lumen5. But guys, you can write your own scripts and do many things with the script, but I'll be just showing you how to make a video from the script and how the Lumen5 AI makes the scenes or creates the scene according to your video. And that being said, let's click over here and paste it. And after pasting your script over here, you can see you can edit it from over here. Also, you can use the AI to generate a summary. Accordingly, you can use the every sentence in your story to make or create a scene on this timeline. I'll show you that later, and what does that mean. And I'll just be using the use AI to generate a summary on the beta version. And after you have edited text it and chosen the format of the AI on which you want your video to be made, click on convert to video. And I requested the guys to play with all of these options to find which suits you better. And you can see guys, this function has started to create a scene on the Lumen5, and let's wait for it before we dive in. And over here guys, the scenes are being started to create, and it will take a time. But at the left side of the screen or this panel, you can see the storyboard over here. You can add a URL if there is an article or a blog post where you can use to or make a video or you want to. You can just simply click on add the URL button and copy paste the URL of that article or the text or the script, and click on import, and that script will be imported over here. And with that being said guys, this is the function of the storyboard, and you got the idea to make a video from over here by clicking on the convert to video using your AI function. And you can use click on media, and you will find the usable media on the library of the Lumen 5. For example, I had typed or written or requested ChatGPT to make a video or the script on animals of the kingdom, and you can see guys fairly there are a lot of animals with these frames. You can choose to replace this video by simply clicking and dragging and dropping the video like this guys, and the video on that scene will be changed. You can click on the text like this and do many things. You can but before we get to the text, this is the simple way to just uh, replace the videos on your scenes or add your desired video to the scenes. For example, if you can see the video over here, you need to change the frame. You can simply click on the swap design and change that frame. And with that being said guys, let's get to a later part on this. And you can see guys on this library section, this is the library section from over here, and here is the gifts section where you will be able to find the gifts which you can use on your Lumen 5 video. You can see the uploads. You can upload your own videos on over here. You can make your folders. If you upload the video and on this Lumen 5, you'll be able to use it on over here, but I'll not be showing that. You can just drag and drop the media over here, or simply click on upload media to upload the files on over here. Simply drag and drop over here guys, and any video will be uploaded, and images as well. And with that being said guys, you will be able to see your recent videos over here. Currently I have not made many videos on Lumen 5, so there are no medias used over here. But and also guys, at the right side of these options list, there is the star button, which means that guys, if you click on the star icon at any video, that video will be made your favorite, and that will be available on the star button. You can see guys, which means the favorite. And with that this being explained, you can filter your videos. You can see currently all the photos and videos will be available on the Lumen 5. If you just want the videos, simply click on videos like this, and all of the videos will be available. This applies to all. You can see the library, and you can filter them out for only the videos. And if you want only the photos, you can just simply filter it to the photos. And with that being done guys, you can see the icons button. There are library, and there are a lot of icons that you can use on the Lumen 5 video from the library. But you can see guys, you'll be required to buy the premium section on this Lumen 5. Same with over here. Here will be your uploaded icons and your recent used icons and the favorites button, and there will be a star button available on every one of these icons after you buy them. And with that being said guys, the music over here, you can see currently the background music is the big dance trance. And if you preview this videos guys, this music will be started to play, or music will start to play on the background. And if you want to re-choose, then you can simply close them like this and click on any track to apply. If I click on this energetic future track, you can just wait a moment. It will take a moment to be loaded onto the track list. And with that being said guys, you can simply again, if you don't want that track, you can just choose them. And over here guys, you can see there are upload section as well, where you will be able to upload your voiceovers and your music available on your computer from over here. And here it will be your recent used medias of your music. If you have uploaded it or used any track recently on your computer while making videos on Lumen 5, similarly the star button available. And over here guys, you will be able to favorite it if you want to. And with that being said guys, these are the function of this full palette, and where you can see the style and the format guys. The format, I'm already going to show it. You can just choose your landscape, square, story ratio, vertical formats for your video. You can choose your video resolution from over here guys. If you want 1080, just buy the subscription of the Lumen 5, and I'll be sticking to 720 SD. And after that, at the left side, you can see there is the style guys. You'll be able to change the color palette section of the template currently used on Lumen 5. You can see all of these colors. I just mess with them around, and you will be able to see what can you do. You can choose your primary and secondary fonts. I will teach you that a little later on the video editing section. And you can see guys, you can choose your scene transitions. You can choose your language settings from right to right to left text direction. And with that being said, guys, these are the functions at the left side you can choose on your video. And at the video section, guys, there are also a lot of awesome features available on Lumen 5. Now let's dive right into the video section of, or the editor section of the Lumen 5. And over here, guys, you can see currently the Lumen 5 has made a video of about 1 minute and 4 seconds according to the script. You can also record a voiceover from over here, guys, but I'll not be doing that. I'll be just uh, adding a music available on the Lumen 5. And that being said, guys, let's go back over here. And you can see, guys, this is the scene from the template of the Lumen 5. You can change it if you don't like it like this. If you click on the swap design section, as I mentioned earlier, you will be able to swap the designs currently your scene is from this web page. After you land over here, guys, you can see there are a lot of designs available. If you would just want it to be clean, simply click on these templates. You can see your video will be available on a section like this, and these are the clean sections of the text and the videos, guys. I'll be just clicking on the clean one in order to show you. You can switch any video templates to clean, and you can see now this is clean, guys. You can just add the duration of that video from over here. You can also edit the video duration from over here also. If you click on this scene, you can see there is the trim button available, the crop button available, the brightness button available, and the sound button available. But if your video had any audio, it would have detected the audio, but this video currently doesn't have any video, so there is no audio detected sign coming up. And you can delete the scene from delete the video or remove it. And if you click on the trimmer like this, you'll be able to trim it according to your wish like this, or you can just enter your start time and end time from over here and click on apply, and the time frame will be available or added applied to your scene over here. And you can see there is the time. You can just add it from here. Also, you can swap design, and you can preview the video like this, guys. And the background music we had chosen over here will start to play. And with that being said, guys, this is the editing section of the video on Lumen 5. And at the left side of this video editing scene, you can choose to leave a comment on if you have many scenes, and if you got confused or you might want to rename them, but because that happens to be a lot of time. And with that being said, guys, you can navigate to the lower screen by clicking on this arrow, and the upper screens by clicking on this arrow, you can see. And over here, guys, you can choose to copy paste this video or the scene. You can just duplicate the scene, and you can do whatever you like. You can delete it, you can add a sub scene from over here. Play with all of these functions in order to make sure what it does, because there are a lot of functions and effects you can apply to Lumen 5 if you just know the right tricks. So just make a video on Lumen 5 using all of these, and you will be able to get a grasp of the Lumen 5. And with that being said, guys, let's delete the sub scene. And after these, guys, you will be also able to edit your text. Let's go to the scene where there are text. There is the text, and if you click on the text, you'll be able to just shuffle colors. You can see of the text. Let's click all, select all, click on shuffle colors, and you can see, guys, the colors of the whole template being shuffled, not just with the text. And you can see everything is being manipulated, and it will just shuffle the colors of the template. You can choose to do anything by it according to your desire by shuffling colors. And with that done, guys, you can see over here it says the plus green. Here is the green plus sign which says add a new scene. If you want to add just a blank scene, guys, click on create a classic scene. But if you want to create a talking head, guys, click on the talking head scene, guys. It's a lot of work to make or create a talking head scene, I think, for a beginner. So, guys, if you have after you master all of the basic function of the Lumen 5, go and click on the create a talking head scene to see what's up with that. And but for that, just master the level of the Lumen 5 like this, and click on the create a classic scene, and all of the medias will be available on which type of the template you want to make a video. You can see. And let's go with a collage like this one with some text over here. You can make collages, and you can create many classic things. This was a collage, so you can create a blank scene according to your template. Anything is available, guys, and you can choose your videos from over here. Simply drag and drop them. So let's search for the video of a tiger, and since the video was for animals, let's drag and drop. Now over here, guys, you need to know a thing before you drag and drop your media. It can be a picture rather than a video, so click on the filter button at the top section, click over there, and you will be able to choose the videos and wait for it, and you can see the all videos available on Lumen5 for Tiger, and just drag and drop the video on the scene you want to be in, and edit the duration of the video. And after you have maintained this, click on preview, and that video will be started to previewed on this scene. And after all you have done your editing by just swapping color, swapping design, editing your text, adding your related videos, you can see you can just simply click on the publish. But guys, it's just, if you go down to the bottom of the page, you can see you will be able to add some more scenes. I think about 80 scenes for a premium subscription, I guess, and 10 minutes of a video. This video is currently 1 minute and 16 seconds long. You can make video up to about 10 minutes, I guess. And with that being said, guys, after doing all of your editing with these templates, your text, and guys, for the final thing, I forgot about the text. Click on the text, and at the top of the screen you can see there are the editing tools for the text. You can place wherever you like. I think this template does not allow the video to be placed on the upper or the lower section of the video scene, so that's why the text position is locked over here. You can choose these text scenes over here like this, guys. You can choose your font styles from Montserrat bold or any font available on the current template. You can also choose your font style from over here. Again, in the styles there are two fonts, with the primary and the secondary one. You can mess with those to choose your fonts. And let's get back to the storyboard. And after editing your text like this, guys, you can also add text size. Either you want it to be big or small. You can just see the text colors over here. You can choose it according to your wish, and you can just choose your fonts from over here like this, guys. You can highlight this. You can just see highlight colors of this, all according to your wish. After you have finally made your videos like this by adding your text templates and your videos and syncing with the time and choosing your designs, or simply click on the publish video. You can also preview them, guys, but if you are sure, you can just click on the publish button like this, and the video will be published on the Lumen5, and it will start to render your video on your computer. So let's wait for it. You can see the publishing button available, and over here, guys, let's scroll down. And over here, guys, you can see the video is starting to render. There is a time frame from 0000 to 0116, and a blue sign or the indication of the rendering process is appearing. And when this blue line fills up to this 0116, the download button will be available, guys, and the video will be able to or the video will be or can be downloaded. After that, simply click on download when the download button is available, or you can just click on the transcript. You can resize them, you can copy the link to send it to another one, and you can see the link version options. Either the video is private or anyone with this link. So on your wish, guys, after the download button is available, you will be able to download this video on your computer and post it wherever you like. And with that being said, guys, this is how you use the Lumen5 AI to make videos from a text script. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.